Still works. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to put the stick to hold on to and the button, and put a cover over all these wires so I don't get electrocuted. Alright, so I already added a handle to the top of the chainsaw, and then of course inside a smaller one to hold on to, and have placed the button to turn it on at a very convenient spot. So check it out. Alright, finally completed the saw. Tomorrow Ash will be making an appearance at the 2010 Houston Comic Con over at the Stafford Convention Center. Anyhow, see, I pretty much gave it the original colors of the original saw from the movies, trying to stick as close as possible to the movie itself. Let's put on another test run here. See up close the chain, quote unquote, loose, if you haven't noticed that before.